Hi people, I want to show you interesting video tutorial. You know, in 3ds Max, when you have got tool called Target Weld, you can do the same inside Blender. This will work in similar way in Blender, but I will show you how to activate this because this tutorial is a little bit complicated. First of all, I can quickly cut polygon through. Actually, I only want to cut some areas of the polygon. So I can demonstrate and I can show to you how this tool works. You go to Snap Tool, you select Closest and Vertex, and don't forget to select this doesn't really matter, but I think rotate matters. And you select Auto Merge and you change threshold. And you select this gray square icon next to Gizmo. And you drag my left mouse button. This gray circle, I will zoom in for you to show. It is barely visible because I have to. Oh, this gray icon Gizmo. You can see this gray thing. And you drag my left mouse button. We will get our polygon, but you have to deselect this and this. Target Weld in Blender 4.2.2. Blender version long-term support 4.2.2. It is like a updated version. They fixed lots of bugs and errors because long-term support is supported until 2025, I believe.